Brisk walking. It's such a simple concept, really, just putting one foot in front of the other at a slightly faster pace than usual. But the impact it can have on your body, on your health, on your weight, it's truly remarkable. I remember the first time I decided to give brisk walking a try. I had been struggling with my weight for years, trying every fad diet and exercise routine out there, but nothing seemed to stick. I was tired of feeling sluggish and uncomfortable in my own skin. So, one day, I laced up my sneakers and headed out the door. At first, it was tough. My muscles ached, my breathing was labored, and I felt like I was moving at a snail's pace. But I pushed through the discomfort, focusing on the rhythm of my steps and the fresh air filling my lungs. And slowly but surely, it started to get easier. I made brisk walking a part of my daily routine, carving out time in the morning or evening to hit the pavement and get my heart rate up. And before I knew it, the pounds started to melt away. It was like magic, except it wasn't magic at all. It was just the simple act of moving my body in a way that felt good and natural. I found myself looking forward to my daily walks, relishing the time alone with my thoughts, the feeling of my muscles working, the sweat dripping down my back. It became a form of therapy for me, a way to clear my mind and focus on the present moment. And the best part? The weight loss. It wasn't just about the number on the scale, although that was certainly gratifying. It was about how I felt in my own skin. Strong, capable, confident. Brisk walking had transformed not just my body, but my mindset as well. I started to notice other changes too. My energy levels soared, my mood lifted, and my sleep improved. It was like a domino effect of positivity, all stemming from that simple act of putting one foot in front of the other. Now, when I look back on those early days of brisk walking, I can't help but smile. It was the catalyst for so much positive change in my life, a reminder that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. So if you're feeling stuck in your weight loss journey, if you're tired of the endless cycle of diets and workouts that go nowhere, I urge you to give brisk walking a try. It may not seem like much, but trust me, it has the power to transform your body, your health, and your life.